Hi there! I'm sure you could name a few foods or meals that you hated as a child but love as an adult. When I was a kid, I wouldn't touch fried mushrooms with a 10-foot pole, but now I'd eat a full plate of these in one go. So let's make some today. This is one of those recipes that only require a few ingredients. Mushrooms, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, salt and black pepper is all we need. Let's start by cleaning the mushrooms and removing the stems. It's easier to make the breading when the stem is gone. Grab a bigger bowl, add about half a cup of flour and season it with a generous amount of salt. Add the mushrooms and coat them in the flour properly. Use your hands or tablespoon to make sure every last bit is covered. And now we can move to the next step. Crack 2 eggs, season with salt and black pepper, and properly beat them with a fork or a whisk. Now it's time to dip the mushrooms in the beaten eggs. Flip them a few times to make sure they are nicely dipped from all sides. And now the final step of the breading procedure. Dredge the mushrooms in breadcrumbs. I'm using regular plain breadcrumbs, but you can use seasoned, panko or Italian breadcrumbs if you want. And it's time to fry our breaded mushrooms. You need enough oil for the mushrooms to be a bit more than halfway submerged in it. Heat the oil up to medium-high heat and let's start frying. Shake the pan from time to time, and once the first side turns golden brown, it's time to flip. We're looking good. The mushrooms are perfectly fried and the color is just great. Let's take them off the pan and place on a paper towel so it absorbs the excess fat. And we are done. I can't wait to bite into these little pockets of flavor. Dipped in tartar sauce, these mushrooms are just perfect. Thanks for watching, and now hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future recipes. See you!